This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Punishing Gray Raven with a controller. First, ensure your controller is connected to your device. For mobile, this usually means pairing via Bluetooth. If you're on PC, a USB connection works great. Once connected, verify your device recognizes the controller. Next, you'll need a good key mapping application, especially for mobile, to translate controller inputs to touch commands. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Now, open your chosen key mapping application and select Punishing Gray Raven from your list of games. The app will overlay virtual buttons on your screen. Carefully drag these virtual buttons to align perfectly with the game's on-screen controls, like attack, dodge, and skill buttons. Then, assign each of these virtual buttons to a corresponding physical button on your controller. This step creates the bridge between your controller and the game's touch interface. With your controls mapped, it's time for in-game optimization. Head into Punishing Gray Raven settings and fine-tune the camera sensitivity to your preference. A lower setting might offer more precision. Also, check if the game offers any native controller layout adjustments that could further enhance your setup. Finally, jump into a practice mission or a simple stage to thoroughly test your new controller configuration. Make any necessary tweaks until it feels just right. To truly excel, practice your character's complex combos until they become second nature. This will significantly boost your combat effectiveness. For an even greater edge, explore controllers that feature programmable back paddles or extra buttons, allowing you to assign additional actions for quicker reactions. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals or want to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to click the link in the description below. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.